When parrots are in a fix, there's a place in Harwich where they can get some help. Find out more next.
CapeCast.
So, Gene, we see a lot of parrots, a lot of parrot adventure here. What's going on here in West Harwich?
Well, a lot of feathers are going on here. These are all rescue birds. They've either come from private adoptions or sanctuaries that are now defunct, and they needed homes. It all started when I began volunteering at a place called Foster Parrots, at the time was in Rockland. And I was able to see that parrots need homes just like dogs and cats do. They come with little suitcases. They have their own baggage. Then they have several or more homes. Some of them here have had 5 or more homes. And if you notice, they take a lot of work, and they are wonderful, social, intelligent, sentient creatures. But they need special care. Even the ones that can be a little aggressive desire interaction. And it's basically like a toddler that's just never going to grow up.
Come on, everybody. Hello.
For you, this seems like you're giving a lot of yourself to this. Is there a toll for you, or is it a reward? How does it all work?
It's a little of both. It's a labor of love for sure, but it can be difficult. It's not like a dog or cat that can be neutered and that's been domesticated for thousands of years. These are maybe a couple of generations from their wild family. Sometimes, and maybe other people that have pet shops and sell parrots will argue with me, but I really think they just, when they're put into captivity, especially the larger ones, they don't know how to be a wild bird, but they don't know how to be a human. So they're kind of caught in this in-between world. And I think it's confusing for them.
Hi, Gulliver.
Hi, Gulliver.
Speak into the mic.
Hi, Gulliver. What is the lighter side of living with parrots?
They can be very whimsical. As you can see, they love to be social butterflies.
And another Cape Codder, filmmaker Allison Argo, is just about to premiere her parrot movie on PBS, and it sounds like she did some research here.
She did. We thoroughly enjoyed spending an afternoon with Allison, and she is amazing to take on this project. It's called Parrot Confidential. I think around November 13th it airs. Check your local listings on PBS. It's part of the Nature series.